I'm Sue Grant from Berthon, and I'm just introducing you to the Discovery 55 Mark II from 2015 KNOTTY Girl. She's a Mark II Discovery, she's hull number 49, she's really special, as you will see from the walkthrough that follows. Please just enjoy our video. I'd like you to have a look at KNOTTY Girl, Discovery 55 Mark II, hull number 49 from 2015. Here she is in Palma de Mallorca in rather a dull day. Obviously stern to anchoring. This passerelle is foldable carbon. She's got electric Simpson davits, gin and tonic seats port and starboard. Onto the aft deck. Main sheet behind the cockpit, which works really well. Good rugged bimini and spray hood, both of which fold down, and that works really easily. Because she's a Mark II, she has the reprofiled saloon windows and flush hatches. As with all Discoveries, she's got self-tacking jib. And on this yacht, we've got Reckman push-button furling for the genoa and staysail, all controlled from the cockpit. The anchor has 100 metres of chain. There's a Lumar V5 windlass. Carbon prodder for her Jenica, which has got a snuffer from North. And she's also got a pretty new dinghy, which we can just have a look at in a moment. Swept-back spreaders, which means no runners. She's got bearing out poles for downwind sailing stored on the mast. And this dinghy is from 2020. It's a Highfield CL34 with an aluminium bottom, and she's got a 20 horsepower outboard. As you can see, all the lines lead aft. She's also got solar array, that's 150 watts on the saloon top, and she's also got 200 watts on the top of the bimini, their Sol Boyan Flex. Anderson winches, primaries and secondaries are powered. Full safety gear, ready for the season. There's a barbecue we're just walking past now. And then we can go and have a look in the cockpit. The Mark IIs do not have the Discovery bath, so it's really easy access around the wheel. She's running on B&G Zeus. She's also got some graphic displays at the companionway. Here is her utility winch. All the controls for the furling, main and the two front sails are controlled from there. Lovely, smart, comfortable cockpit. We're going to go and have a look down below now. Okay, 3 shallow steps into her deck saloon. Light oak interior, plum Amtico flooring. Really good combination of Mark I and Mark II saloon interiors, with an open interior but still with a passage berth to starboard. We're going to walk forward into the double VIP cabin. Loads of storage. On the Mark II, the port lights in the hull are larger, so the light just floods in. Good wardrobe space. Natalie from Berthon, Spain is doing this video, so please give her a wave. And then we're going to have a look in the upper and lower berth cabin for guests. Again, we have a lot of wardrobe space. The same large saloon windows, large wide berths. There are fans in all the cabins. She's also got a tropical aircon and Eberspacher hydronic central heating for the chillier places. Here is the guest heads compartment with a separated shower stall, Avonite surfaces, all in brilliant shape. She's got Tecmar electric loos, which are freshwater and saltwater flush, and the inevitable electric towel rail, which is seen on all Discoveries. So then we'll go back through this great layout. If you're sailing 2 up, the person off watch can be in this berth. They're just close to everything that's going on. This table folds down to make a coffee table should you prefer. And there is a TV on the aft bulkhead so everybody can watch the match or whatever. Of course, one of the important things about the Discovery 55 is the interior watchkeeping. And here is her chart table. She's got Starlink, she's got Fleet 1, there's her B&G Zeus combined system. The 2 front saloon windows open, so if you're at anchor you can get really good through flow of air, which is lovely in warmer climes. And then we're going to just shoot down and have a look at the galley. Knotty Girl's got a gastronome sink, which is very smart, and a drainer. Lots of work surface. Big freezer in front of you, and to your left, full-size fridge. A Spas 3-burner cooker with oven and grill. There's a larder with the microwave above, and then we'll have a look in the owner's cabin. Can you see those beautiful burrs with the ebony inlay on all of the doors? Vertical windows in this cabin. Just looks amazing. She's got cupboards, wardrobes to port and starboard, so there's loads and loads of space in this cabin for storage of clothes and bits and pieces. And then the owner's ensuite, large and spacious, separated shower. In front is a door which goes into the washer dryer, and here is access to the main engine room, engine space, inevitable tools from Discovery. This is a Yanmar 160, there's a manifold in front of it. You've also got the chargers and controls for the electric winches. In front of it is a space for the generator, which is a Northern Lights 5 kilowatt. And so then we'll go out back into this lovely owner's cabin. Bear in mind she's only 55 feet. And then through into the galley. And up into this really clever main saloon where you sit down and see out. Knotty Girl for living well.